In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ShopWired for flash sales and how to make the most of it for your business. If you're looking to run successful flash sales, you'll want to stick around for the entire video because we're not only diving into ShopWired, but also discussing some alternatives that might actually serve you better in the long run. First, let's get right into it. ShopWired is a solid platform, but it can be a bit tricky when it comes to flash sales. To start, you need to make sure your store is set up to handle a surge in traffic. Flash sales can bring a lot of customers at once, so performance is crucial. ShopWired has decent infrastructure, but you'll want to monitor it carefully when running these types of sales to avoid downtime. Next thing, creating a flash sale with ShopWired is pretty straightforward. You can create limited time discount codes, specify a start and end date, and offer discounts on products. It's an efficient way to set up a flash sale, but I have to say, it's not as seamless or customizable as some other platforms in terms of automation. You'll have to manually manage each sale, which could be a time suck, especially if you run frequent flash sales. The third thing, ShopWired has a good selection of features to support flash sales, like integrating with email marketing and social media. However, these integrations could be more intuitive. You'll find that connecting your email campaigns to the sale can be clunky and sometimes doesn't trigger when you want it to. It's great that the feature is there, but it's not as polished as you might expect. Moving on, let's talk about user experience. ShopWired's dashboard is relatively easy to navigate, which is great for those new to running sales. But like I said before, its limited automation can slow you down. You'll also run into some restrictions when customizing the design of your sale pages. While they do offer templates, the flexibility isn't as high as it could be if you're looking for a more personalized look for your flash sale. And now, let's hit on pricing. ShopWired has a competitive pricing structure, but for all the features it offers, it could be a little bit pricier than some of its competitors, especially if you're just starting out with flash sales and don't need all the bells and whistles. You might want to explore other options that give you more for less money in the long run. Finally, here's the most important thing you'll need to consider. While ShopWired is a solid choice for running flash sales, it's not the best option for everyone, especially if you're looking for more advanced automation or a smoother integration process. That's why I'm going to recommend a competitor in just a moment that has better functionality and a more intuitive interface for flash sales. And don't worry, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial through our link, giving you more time to decide if it's right for you. But before I wrap up, I'll also mention a few alternatives. There are platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce that might be better suited for your needs if you want more features, customization, and flexibility. While ShopWired is decent, these alternatives give you better options for running flash sales without the hassle. If you want to give ShopWired a try, we've got you covered with an extended free trial through our link. But if you're after something that handles flash sales more seamlessly, stick around for the alternatives I'll mention. You'll get exclusive benefits through the link in the description, and I promise you'll want to check them out for the best flash sales experience.